with our I can statement, okay? So, I can use Magic E to read and spell words. Nice job. Okay, so first we'll work with our word patterns. Okay, we're going to start by listening for long and short vowel sounds. So remember that a long vowel says its name. Okay, so remember I told you guys that we were going to have these cards in addition to what we did before. So remember our long vowel says its name. Okay, so what are our long vowel sounds? Let's go in order even though this doesn't necessarily go in order. Okay, so A, E, I, O, U. Okay, now our short vowels, those are a little bit trickier, right? Because they don't just say their name. So we just have to practice those ones. Okay, so A, E, I, right? Okay. Let's do kind of our warm-up so that we can make sure that we're practicing each of the short and long vowel sounds. Okay, ready? The A in calf is short. The A in cape is long. The E in pet is short. The E in Pete is long. The I in bit is short. The I in bite is long. The O in hop is short. The O in hope is long. The U in hug is short. The U in huge is long. Really quickly, just go back to the I, only because I just heard at least one person accidentally say it wrong. So the I in bit is short, and the I in bite is long. Remember that magic E on the end makes it say its name. Okay, so today we're going to be practicing words on our cards. Will you pass those over to Porter, please? We're going to be practicing every single sound on our cards today. Okay, so let's sound and blend each of the words on our cards to make sure we know each of those vowel sounds, okay? So, for short A, hat. Long A, cake. Short I, pig. Long I, bike. Short O, pot. Long O, bone. Short U, sun. Long U, cube. All right. So, you ready for our cards to point to which sounds each word makes? Okay. Our first word is ramp. Ramp. Listen to that vowel sound. You are right. It is the short A sound, like in hat. Wife. Right, so long I sound like in bike. Shake. Yep, the long A like in cake. Mint. Yep, the short I like in pig. Safe. A couple of people were kind of struggling on this one. So, is it af or safe?
It's
long A, right? Like in cake, it says its name. It says A. Mole. I feel like this one's a little bit trickier, but think about, does it say aw or o? Because I see you're on an O. Mole. Yes, it says the long O sound like in bone. Risk. Yep, short I sound like in pig. Wide. Sound it and blend it in your head if you need to. Wide. Yes, it's a long I sound like in bike. Lamp. Yep, short A sound like in hat. Rule. This one I see a lot of different choices. So let's sound and blend this one together, okay? R, oo, o, rule. What do you hear for the vowel sound?
U.
Is Cole right? Do you hear a U? Yeah, so it's going to be our long U sound like in cube. Okay? Loan. 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 What does it say? Loan. It says the long O, right? Like in bone. Rhymes with bone in that one. Last word, bunk. Bunk. Yep, it's a short U sound, like in sun. Okay, I'm going to pass out your word cards. Please pass those over to Porter. Make sure you are on kind of the white with little dots, day 12. So there's a few that aren't flipped to. Day 12, please. That's just the type of paper it is. Okay, I'm going to time you for 1 minute. Okay, so I want you to read these words, whisper read them to yourself for 1 minute. You're on a first word, can I see? Okay, so that's a short O, so what's it going to say? Ah. Ah, right? So, ah, romp. Alright, go ahead and stop. Okay, so now remember when I say the word, you're going to point to it, and then when I say go, we're going to spell it. Okay, and then we're going to decide if it's the long O or the short O. Okay, so first word, wide. 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 Go.
W-I-D-E, wide.
Okay, is that the long I or the short I?
Long I.
Nice job. Next word, loan. Loan. Go.
L-O-N-E, loan.
Long O or short O?
Long O.
Good. Next word, mole. Go.
M-O-L-E, mole.
Long O or short O?
Long O.
Next word, rump. Rump. Okay, go ahead.
R-O-M-P, romp.
Long O or short O?
Short O.
Short O, right? Does it have a magic E on the end of it?
No.
No. Okay, next word, mint. Where you got it? Okay, go.
M-I-N-T, mint.
Long I, short I.
Short I.
All right, shake. Shake. Got it? Go.
S-H-A-K-E, shake.
Okay, next. Oh, sorry. Long A, short A.
Long A.
Wife. Go.
W-I-F-E, wife.
Long I. All right, long I. All right, next word. Risk. You read my mind. Go.
R-I-S-K, risk.
Long I
Short
or short
I.
I? Let's wait till I say it so we make sure everyone gets a chance. So long I or short I?
Short I.
All right. Safe. Go.
S-A-F-E, safe.
Long A, short A.
Long A.
Good. Lamp.
I already knew it.
Lamp. You got it? Long, or go.
L-A-M-P, lamp.
All right, long A or short A?
Short A.
All right, I think we only have 2 words left, but now I forgot which ones we did. So, rule.
We have bunk
Well, we're doing rule. Go.
R-U-L-E, rule.
Long U or short U?
Long U.
Okay, last word, bunk. You got it? Go.
B-U-K-N-K, bunk.
Okay, long U or short U?
Short U.
Nice job. Okay, really quickly, I just want you to practice reading it one more time, but you're going to just read it with your partner together, okay? So you're not going to do the partner routine. Just read it with your partner.
Okay, so.
Okay. Together with your partner at the same time. Read the last line again together because I couldn't hear you.
I think we did nice mice.
Rule. Okay.
Yeah, we already did
Fourth
nice
graders,
mice.
I know we just did it yesterday, but we didn't finish it all. So we're going to keep working on this story today.
Yeah. You finished it.
If you stop that reading,
We're working on this story today, okay? All right, so we're going to do our normal partner routine with this, okay? So I'm going to set the timer for 1 minute, just like we did yesterday. So if it was Porter's turn, Porter's reading for 1 minute, okay? Then when the timer goes off, you need to switch. Sean would read for 1 minute, and then you're going to read it 1 minute together when the timer goes off again. Remember, one person needs to turn around and kind of face each other's ears so that you can both hear each other. Okay, first partner, decide who's going first really quickly. Okay, first partner, you may begin.
My kids, they were always side by side. Mike asked Spike to take a trip. See what I got nice and Mike said we will ride bikes on the trip. We must find time to make money for our trip. Mike and Spike got it done. They had to take lines on the slope of the mountain. The boss and his wife said to pick the right lines. They got it done. It was a fine job. They picked a lot of bike lines. They picked from 9 until 9. They helped the wife of the boss make a fine tree. They sliced a pile of lines.
So remember, go back to the beginning of the story, partner 2, and start reading from the beginning of the story.
Mark and Spike are quite nice mice. They always said, we're always side by side. They like to smile. Mike asked Spike to take a trip out. He wanted to go to nice sights, and he wanted to dine in fine places. Mike said he will ride bikes on a trip. We must find time to make money for our trip. Mike and Spike got a job. They had to get on the slope of the hill. The boss and his wife said to pick red clothes. They got a dime for each red cloth they got. It was a fine job. They picked a lot of bright lines. They picked from 9 until 9. They helped the wife of the boss make a fine lime drink. They sliced a pile of limes. They made a fine lime drink with ice. They got a nice price for the lime drink.
Go ahead and start back at the first page with your partner. And one thing I want you to really focus on, fourth graders, is practicing good expression, because today I didn't notice that many people making errors with the words. Okay, since you've practiced this another day, you need to practice that good expression, okay?
Mike and
Spike were quite nice mice. They always side by side. They like to smile. Mike asked Spike to take a trip. He wanted to go to nice sights, and he wanted to dine in fine places.
Make sure you read together. Let's start back here. And he wanted to dine. Order. He wanted to dine in fine places.
Mike said,
We will ride bikes on the trip. We must find time to make money for our trip.
the boss and his
Mike and and Spike got a job. They had to pick lines on the sign for each. The boss and his wife said to write them off. They got a dime for each right line.
They picked from 9 until
It